What if you could create viral animations using the simplest tools you already have? Most people think animation is hard. Simple stick figures can deliver powerful messages that people love to watch. The secret is not design. It is the idea behind your content. When your idea connects emotionally, people watch until the end. Fast and simple visuals make your message easy to understand instantly. Short videos work best when every second delivers value. Start your video with a strong hook that stops scrolling instantly. Consistency matters more than perfection when creating content daily. Each video you make increases your chance of going viral. Do not overthink design, focus on clear storytelling instead. People remember stories more than visuals or effects. Use relatable topics that people experience in daily life. When people relate, they stay longer and share your content. Your unique style makes your videos recognizable over time. Your unique style makes your videos recognizable over time. What matters most is taking action instead of waiting. Every creator who went viral once started exactly where you are. Keep creating, keep improving, and your breakthrough will come. Because simple ideas with consistency can turn into viral success.